Hello, Mr. Volkswagen. So I'd highly recommend for anyone thinking about doing a timing belt, get the water pump done too. This has been a 2-month project with me because I had to go and do work somewhere else, and so the car's been sitting here molding on me, literally. And so I got the new water pump on. There it is. Here's the old one. Go get it. Right here. And it starts to make noise and leak. You hear that? Anyhow, a little plastic piece comes off. And to do this, you have to take the whole timing belt off. There's this big wheel, and you have to pull that off. And there's this little metal plate that you got to pull. So you have to have the timing lined up, you know. So we did our marks. So if the wheel moved, we wouldn't lose timing. Did that, and also recommended on a job like this, Mr. Crowbar, which is pretty much important for, I don't know, this whole job. Crowbar and a couple hammers and a torch and strong muscles. Yeah, it's been a little involved. Again, this is the front of the engine. Power steering pump, alternator, tensioner pulley, and a timing belt, and it's going to have a serpentine belt and the last belt that runs the water pump. Two more little belts. So I'm going to install those, and hopefully we'll get a cold start for you. Hopefully I'll get this on film. This will run, and look at this. This is kind of wild. Look here. Mold. My car molded since I was gone because it rains every day. Ew, I'm going to vacuum that up. The steering wheel. Ew. Gross.
Well, then fine. Make your body whole. I'm gonna give you mine to hold. Saying this, she climbed inside to be his wife, to be his only bride.
How you doing? Okay, just started it, and on the first try, it used to be all working. Got the belts all on. Alright, so I just have to, I'm putting in a new air filter. The air filter thing goes here. Get that all hooked up. And then I get the tire back on. It's missing the tire. Goodbye, old water pump. Hello, new water pump. Volkswagen. Sounds pretty good.